Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have another Mustang Mach 1 in Fighter Jet Gray. This one is different than the last one because this one has the 10-speed auto compared to the 6-speed TREMEC, and this one also has a different wheel option. So I'll just briefly show you guys what the outside looks like. Of course, different grille, the stripe going down the middle with the orange accents because this one has the Mach 1 appearance package. I kind of misspoke there. Actually, the Mach 1 appearance package has the orange accents, but all Mach 1s do come with the stripe down the middle and down the side. Really nice front splitter right there, and a little air vents in the side, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and a standard bulb for the turn signal. So let's get the hood vents up there. You get this nice gray metallic painted mirror cap right there on the side. Show you guys the side here. Got planes. A nice stripe running along the bottom. Mach 1 badge, of course. And I want to kind of show you guys up close what this wheel design looks like. It's actually not as bad as I originally thought, but I do prefer the upgraded wheels. It's like $495 to upgrade. I prefer the other wheels, but these ones are actually not that bad when you look at them up close. They're kind of similar to the Bullet design, but not quite like the Bullet. The 2021 Mustang Mach 1 has 3 different wheel designs. The standard wheels are the ones that I have today, which you can see on the Velocity Blue Mustang. There's also a $395 upgraded wheel option, like the one seen on the 6-speed manual Mach 1 that I just reviewed. I highly recommend upgrading to these, especially since the cost difference isn't all that significant, but if you prefer the other design, that's fine. But the third option is the wheel design that comes with the Mach 1 handling package, like the gray Mustang. This package comes with even wider, stickier tires and these more aggressive wheels. But if you look closely at the design, it looks very similar to the wheels that I like, but with some additional spokes on the inside. I like these wheels, but they seem like they'd be a hassle to clean. But if I get the chance, I'll review a handling package Mach 1 once they're available. So please subscribe so you don't miss it. But anyway, let's come along to the back here. Carbonized gray painted spoiler as well. Or gray painted, I don't know if it's carbonized gray or not, probably not. Super huge exhaust tips in the back, LED taillights, LED license plate lights, and standard bulb for the reverse light. And I really love that rear diffuser. I'll kind of show you guys up close what it looks like. Just a really cool, aggressive design right there. All right, guys, popping the hood of this Mach 1. It's the 5-liter V8 that we all know and love, but it doesn't have the engine cover, and it does have this cold air intake right here. And I think it has a GT350 manifold, intake manifold, if I'm not mistaken. And there's a little prop rod. I'm actually holding it up right now. You do have a hood liner, but 480 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque, and like I said, it's hooked up to the 10R80 10-speed automatic. Smart key access, of course, just hold right here to unlock and then lock right here on all Mustangs, standard. See the door panel right there, same as every other Mustang. Again, I'm going to kind of briefly skim through this. Orange accent right there, Mach 1 sill plate. Let's go ahead and hop inside. And there's a 10-speed auto that I was telling you guys about. Let's go ahead and start it up. Mach 1 shows up in the instrument panel. And the same Mustang interior that you would expect, but it does say Mach 1 up here, if you guys can see that. And then the seats do have that orange stitching, like I showed you guys earlier. And then also it has kind of a different design. I'll show you guys what this window sticker looks like. This one's actually special ordered, but the owner actually changed his mind on the options he wanted. But 15 city, 23 highway. And one thing to keep in mind if you plan on getting a 10-speed auto Mach 1 is that you do have to pay a gas guzzler tax. So when you think about it, the 10-speed auto is actually a $2,595 option because you have to pay the gas guzzler tax. So that's a little bit unfortunate, but you can see this one does have the Mach 1 appearance package. And I think this is because it's a premium. I'm not sure what this means because it doesn't say anything under it, but I think that means that it's a Mach 1 premium. But this one was $58,105, so it is quite expensive. There's your digital gauges that we all know and love from Mustangs. Center stack, all the exact same. Nothing different on the Mach 1. Back seat is still the same. Everything in here. Do have a light. I was so excited about driving this Mach 1 that I forgot to show you guys the trunk space. So I stole this clip from my other Mach 1 video, but the space is the same. But since this one doesn't have the upgraded B&O stereo, it doesn't have the subwoofer on the side. Let's actually get on the road because this is what I really wanted to see. I wanted to see the difference between the TREMEC 6-speed and the 10-speed auto. If you haven't seen my TREMEC 6-speed review, please do check it out. But let's turn on some air conditioning because I'm getting hot. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the audio. But anyway, let's get going here. Oh yeah, 2020 and up, it says parking brake engaged if you put it in gear with the brake on. But setting off here. Very smooth trans, that's good news. You also get a frameless mirror. One thing that's kind of interesting that a coworker actually informed me about is that cactus gray on like the new Broncos and stuff is actually the same color as fighter jet gray. So that's interesting that they called it something else for the Mustang, but it is a cool color. It's kind of like a green hue. But so far, very, very smooth with the 10-speed. This one is tuned very well. Like in the Ranger, for example, it's kind of jerky. But this one is tuned pretty nicely. We're going to go ahead and put the exhaust in track here. There we go. So we have the loudest exhaust. It's very easy to do. You just press the pony logo and then it takes you right to the screen. Alright guys, getting ready to turn left onto the street here. So we're going to see how it is under moderate throttle. Oh, that's cool. It went to second. I like that. Sounds really good too. Let's go ahead and put it in S and see. We're not going to do anything crazy, of course. Brand new car, but just going to see how it is with the sport mode. Ooh, ooh, very smooth. The shifts are so fast, but they're smooth at the same time. That's pretty impressive because my car, I have a 2019 Mustang EcoBoost, and in my sport mode, the shifts are really jerky. But I love this smooth steering wheel that you get on premiums. You get it on premium EcoBoost and all GT models. So let's see how it is going through this parking lot here. Let's put it back in drive like you're driving normally. 1 to 3, okay, so it's still skipping gears. Went to 4. See how it is over these bumps. Okay, it's a little bit bumpy. This one does have MagneRide because all Mach 1s come with MagneRide. But to be completely honest, I don't notice a difference between the normal performance pack suspension and MagneRide. The only difference is that if you put it in track, it feels, at least to me, it feels stiffer than the performance pack. But in normal and everything, it just feels pretty much the same. I can't tell too much of a difference on that front. But let's go ahead and turn back onto the street again here. I want to see if it goes to second gear again, because the new F-150s, it's tuned very well to go to second gear if you're giving it some more throttle, so we'll see what happens. Okay, we'll give it a little bit more gas. Oh yeah, it went to second. Yeah, I like that. Okay, yeah, it's fast. Okay, let's slow down now. Handling, let's see how it is. Took the corner, no problem. Let's go ahead and dip into some throttle here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it sounds extremely good. Very smooth power band. Handles great. But in all honesty, it drives like a GT performance pack. Like if I got in this car and I didn't know it was a Mach 1, I would think the same thing. But under wide open throttle, I don't know if you can notice the additional 20 horsepower because I haven't done that, obviously, since this is a brand new car and it's not mine. But under wide open throttle, it'll be very interesting to see if it actually feels different than just a regular GT. But driving around normally and dipping into it like I'm doing now, oh my god, it sounds so good. Yeah, it feels pretty much the same, to be honest. But it looks fantastic, and it's cool to say you have a Mach 1. And you get this cool color if you get the appearance package. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little review and drive of the 10-speed Mach 1. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.